Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about topic number 1, that is Introduction to Plant Physiology, from the paper number 2 of Plant Physiology for second year BSc Botany. In this unit we are going to discuss about 2 points. First one, that is Introduction to Plant Physiology, and second one is Scope and Applications of Plant Physiology. First point from this topic is introduction. See, what are the basic needs of human being? The answer is food, shelter and clothing. Who fulfill these needs? So, these needs are fulfilled by the plants which are present around us. These plants provides the food, fodder, fuel, fibers, shelter, clothing, medicines and even oxygen required for human beings, animals and microorganisms. And all these things are outcome of plant physiology. Photosynthesis is the main physiological process in plant which is responsible for supply of all above mentioned basic human needs. So, photosynthesis is the one of the function performed by the plant to produce the food. There are so many functions like photosynthesis are performed by the plants during their lifespan. So, study of these various functions of performed by plant is called as a plant physiology. In other words, plant physiology is the most challenging, dynamic, and modern discipline of botany, deals with the various metabolic processes and pathways in plants and microbes. Virtually, plant physiology is the heart of botanical science, which is defined as the study of various functions performed by plants. For example, seed germination, growth and development, absorption of water and minerals, ascent of sap, translocation of solutes, transpiration, photosynthesis, respiration, photorespiration, photoperiodism, vernalization, ripening of fruits, senescence, and death of plant. It also covers the study of functions performed by microorganisms like bacteria and fungi from the molecular level to the organismic level. In short, plant physiology deals with the study of organization and operation of all the physiological, biochemical, and enzymological processes in plants. It is also concerned with the regulation of development and functioning of plants. The physiological status of a plant gives an idea about its general health, yield, and phenotypic nature. Because of interdisciplinary nature of plant physiology, nowadays it is also called as a experimental botany. Plant metabolism, mainly catabolism and anabolism, that is breakdown and synthesis, is studied under plant physiology, which is concerned with every aspect of plant life and provides explanation to several questions about the plants. For example, why they use solar energy, how they obtain and distribute water and nutrients, how they grow and develop, how they respond to environment, how they produce flowers, fruits and seeds, and how seeds germinate and form new plants. The understanding of plant physiology is necessary for the study of all other branches of plant science. The various functional aspects of plants and microbes are studied under plant physiology, and all other disciplines depends on it. It is the pivotal branch of botany which has prime importance in our daily life. The knowledge of physiology of microbes as well as higher plant is most important for their efficient utilization and application in our day-to-day life. This is a diagrammatic representation which shows that understanding of plant physiology is very necessary to study different other branches of plant science like phytochemistry, cellular interactions, molecular and cell biology, plant morphology, and environmental interactions. The growth, development, reproduction, flowering, fruiting, and other important processes right from the seed germination to death about every plant is covered in plant physiology. And hence, the knowledge of plant physiology has become a central point in plant science. It is not only a basic science but also its knowledge finds wide application in various fields of commercial botany. The improvement in satisfying the basic needs of human being and their comfort as well as luxury is the outcome of our recent knowledge of plant physiology. This science essentially finds application in the field of biophysics, biotechnology, biochemistry, and molecular biology. The knowledge of plant physiology strongly supports other branches of plant botany or plant science such as plant anatomy, cytology, genetics, morphology, ecology, etc. Today, the availability of ultra-modern technology and sophisticated instruments are helping us to upgrade our knowledge about plant physiology. At the same time, all the above branches becomes more meaningful because of knowledge of plant physiology. The other branches of plant science like plant pathology, agronomy, entomology, genetics and plant breeding, soil physics, soil chemistry, horticulture, sericulture, vegetable science, pomology that is fruit science, etc. are also benefited from the study of plant physiology. Plant physiology also helps to understand the interaction of plants with their environment. Hence, most of the important agrotechnologies developed are based on the plant physiological paradigms. Similarly, plants biotechnology and its approaches are based mainly on the principles and practices of plant physiology. The previous discussion indicates the importance of plant physiology in dealing with future challenges in agriculture and allied fields, as well as it also helps us to understand the interaction of plants with their environment. So, the knowledge of plant physiology plays a key role in solving the problems created by climatic changes such as global warming, effect of greenhouse gases, increases CO2 level, soil, water, air pollution, etc. In short, plant physiology has immense importance in safeguarding our environment. So, today plant physiology has become an important branch for conservation and protection of biodiversity, sustainable development and improvement in crop yield, safe storage of agriculture produce and improvement in crop productivity under climatic conditions. As the plant physiology has so many importance and it plays a vital role in understanding different plant sciences as well as fulfilling different needs of human beings as well as other animals. The sincere attempt should be made to study plant physiology at each level of learning, that is from school, college and universities. Next point of the topic is scope and applications of plant physiology. The scope of plant physiology is well known in each and every aspect of plant and animal life. It has a vast scope and applications in various disciplines of basic and applied sciences. It covers the studies right from the gene level to organismic level and concern with genotypic and phenotypic expressions of plants. The fundamental principles and laws of plant physiology are equally important and applicable to all the unicellular and multicellular organisms of either eukaryotic or prokaryotic nature. Cytogenetics, plant breeding, cell biology, anatomy, morphology, ecology, pathology, pharmacognosy, plant propagation, and even plant biotechnology have their basis in plant physiology. All the above branches of fundamental botany are interlinked with plant physiology, as the knowledge of plant physiology fulfills or plays a key role in solving problems and provides a scientific basis to make these branches more meaningful. The molecular and structural changes in plants, various modifications in morphology, resistance of plant to diseases, and biotic stress like droughts, salt, temperature, cold, flood, and heavy metals like cobalt, lead, mercury, etc., is well understood and explained on the basis of metabolic principles which are studied under the plant physiology. Next, the flowering and fruiting behavior as well as yielding potential of plants depends on their physiological specificity or physiological adaptations. The physiological status of plants indicates their yield, their productivity, survival potential as well as adaptations to biotic as well as abiotic stress conditions. The knowledge of plant physiology has a very vast scope in every field and its applications plays important role in our day-to-day life. This is the diagrammatic representations of scope of plant physiology in different branches of plant science, which includes biology, morphology, plant evolution, genetics, molecular biology, taxonomy, ecology, cytology, anatomy, and many more. Next, that is application of plant physiology. The plant physiology has applications in many applied sciences like biochemistry, biophysics, phytochemistry, biostatistics, agriculture, computer and electronic science, and even in space science. This subject has a very strong and well established links with above mentioned modern sciences. At present, plant physiology has tremendous scope in development of high-tech agriculture, floriculture, horticulture, seed technology, post-harvest technology, polyhouse or greenhouse technology, tissue culture, biomass technology, food technology, field technology, biological control, genetic engineering, and production of transgenic plants, production of drought, salt, flood, temperature, and radiation resistant plants, or you can say stress tolerant plants. The important applications of the plant physiology are summarized in this diagrammatic representation. The most amazing world of plant science is well explored, explained, and wisely exploited for the benefit of man through the knowledge of plant physiology. So, plant physiology is mostly an application oriented subject with great potential for national development. It is difficult to point out the life processes and life improvement programs in which plant physiology is not involved. Human beings require food, shelter, clothing, and medicine for health care, and many other things for improving the quality of life, which is mainly achieved through the proper application of knowledge or principles of plant physiology.